during this course, we're going to be building and running some example programs. And as I demonstrated earlier, I'll be using Visual Studio Code during this course, and we've seen how to get that set up in a previous video. But using VS Code isn't required. You can use any editor you want, and it's important to know how to run Python programs outside of the development environment that you're using. So here's what we're going to do. First, open the terminal program for your computer. On the Mac and Linux, this is usually called terminal. On Windows, this is either PowerShell or the regular command prompt. Now, it's beyond the scope of this course to explain how the terminal works, so if you're not familiar with it, you need to read up on it on your own. From here, let's go into the exercise files directory, which is wherever you put it. So here on my system, it's on the desktop. So I'm going to go into the desktop, I'm going to go into the exercise files folder, and let's list that. All right, so I've got my chapters. So let's go into chapter 2. All right, and inside chapter 2, we have a program called hello world _ finished. All right, so to execute a Python program, we use the Python command like this. I can type py on Windows. Now this doesn't work on the Mac, but on Windows you can type py, or you can type Python by itself, and that's the name of the Python program. And remember, on the Mac or on Linux, it'll be Python 3. And that's because Macs and Linux machines usually have an older version of Python, the 2.7 series, and usually Python is mapped to the older series. So you type Python 3 on the Mac or Linux. So here on Windows, I'll type Python, and then the name of the Python program file we want to run. So I'm going to type hello world. And I want to run the finished version. And when I hit the enter key, you can see if the program runs and prints hello world and asks me for my name. So I'm going to type Joe, and it says nice to meet you, Joe. And we'll see how to build that program later. But all of the examples in this course can be run this way. So if you choose to use a different development environment than Visual Studio Code, or even if you are using VS Code and just prefer running the examples this way, then you have this option.